We are now on the Chief Joseph Scenic Byway, and we're just taking a little pit stop here by, I don't know what river this is, but it's quite lovely. The Chief Joseph Scenic Byway runs 47 miles, that's 76 kilometers, between the junctions of highways 212 and 120 in Wyoming. Allow a solid 90 minutes to drive this, as there are numerous pullouts and viewpoints along the way. Take your time and breathe in this beauty. This is the Sunlight Bridge, and it sits 1,000 feet above this gorge. Now don't fall off while taking pictures, because that's an express elevator to hell. As you wind your way around these hairpin turns, you will climb over 2,000 feet up these switchbacks to a gorgeous view of the valley below. You know, I have been riding for 2 days now, and I keep seeing some things that make me think I'm on the road to hell. But generally speaking, I'm sure I have ridden to heaven. Mind you, Lucifer is pretty crafty, because the greatest trick he ever pulled was convincing people that he didn't exist. His second greatest trick must be making the road to hell so beautiful that you don't realize where you're going until it's too late. Now, some people may argue that this actually is the road to hell. This road follows the trail that the Nez Perce took, led by Chief Joseph, to escape the U.S. cavalry and try to avoid being put on reservations in 1877. They were trying to reach Canada and were forced to surrender only 40 miles from the border. I made it to Cody today, which is great. I'm in the middle of cowboy country. Started off pretty cool this morning, and then it really started to warm up. I guess that's what happens when you get closer to hell. The scenery today was absolutely stunning. It was beautiful. I don't know, I guess the road to hell has great scenery. I guess that's how they suck you in. I don't know. Still worth the ride though. Alright, I'm gonna go find myself some supper and a beer.